Welcome back to Revenue. Join me as I tackle those awkward money conversations we all avoid at home and see if I can actually get through them without losing my cool.
I'm sure you had get back. Wait, hold up, 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 wait, hold up.
Talking about money can be super uncomfortable, especially when it comes to discussions with the people we love. We tend to shy away from these conversations because we're afraid of conflict or we simply don't know where to start. But the truth is, having open and honest conversations about our finances is crucial in maintaining healthy relationships and building trust with our loved ones. Fear of conflict is a major reason why we avoid talking about money at home. We don't want to rock the boat or create tension, so we sweep it under the rug and hope it will magically resolve itself. Another reason is the lack of knowledge or understanding of how to manage our finances effectively. We feel overwhelmed or intimidated by the subject, and it's easy to ignore it than to face it head on. Additionally, we might not know how to initiate the conversation or how to communicate our financial concerns in a way that doesn't come across as judgmental or critical. It's a delicate balance between being honest and being respectful, and it can be hard to navigate. Furthermore, we might be dealing with our own emotional baggage when it comes to money, and confronting those feelings can be incredibly difficult. Let's dive a bit deeper into those specific money topics that we often avoid discussing. Budgeting, for instance, is a crucial aspect of managing our finances, but it can be a daunting task. We might feel like we're depriving ourselves of things we want or need, and that can lead to resentment and frustration. Debt is another sensitive subject, especially if we're struggling to pay off loans or credit cards. It's embarrassing to admit that we're not doing as well as we thought we would, and that can hold us back from seeking help or guidance. Financial goals are also often avoided because we don't know how to set realistic targets or create a plan to achieve them. We might feel like we're not good enough or that we're failing in some way, and that can be a heavy burden to carry. It's no wonder we avoid these conversations, right? They can be super uncomfortable and even painful. I remember when I had to have a tough conversation with my fiance about our financial priorities. We were at odds about how to allocate our income, and it was causing tension in our relationship. It took a lot of courage and initiative to bring it up, but eventually we were able to find common ground and create a budget that worked for both of us. It wasn't easy, but it was worth it. Having open and honest conversations about our finances can have a profound impact on our relationships. It creates trust, understanding, and empathy, and it allows us to work together towards common financial goals. When we bring our financial fears and concerns to the surface, we can start to heal and move forward. Looking back on our conversation today, it's clear that discussing financial issues at home can be challenging, but it's essential in building strong, healthy relationships. It takes courage and initiative to start the conversation, but the benefits are well worth it. Thanks for watching, and I love to hear from you. Share your own experiences or tips on how you navigate those awkward money conversations in the comments below. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, share this channel, so we all could be on our road to financial freedom. By doing so, we must start with what we have, trust the process, and understand that a little bit goes a long way. And I'll see you all in the next one.